The Energy Regulatory Commission (ERC) has cut fuel prices for the second straight month amid a drop in international crude prices. The price of a litre of fuel was supported by a more stable shilling, with the local currency appreciating to 85 shillings and 75 cents to the dollar. Consequently, a litre of petrol will be 3 shillings and 40 cents cheaper to retail at 108 shillings and 87 cents per litre in Nairobi, 105 shillings and 52 cents in Mombasa, and a high of 122 shillings and 68 cents in Mandera. The cost of a litre of diesel will go down by 1 shilling and 22 cents to 103 shillings and 25 cents per litre in Nairobi, 99 shillings and 91 cents in Mombasa, and a high of 117 shillings and 6 cents in Mandera. A litre of kerosene will retail at 2 shillings and 22 cents less, retailing at 82 shillings and 79 cents per litre in Nairobi, 80 shillings and 1 cent in Mombasa, and a high of 96 shillings and 60 cents per litre in Mandera. The new fuel prices will take effect at midnight until 14th of December, when the ERC will gazette new fuel prices.